Welcome back to our WordPress penetration testing and security course. My name is Chandan Godela, and today we're going to explore one of the most effective ways to secure your WordPress site using security plugins. And these tools can be significantly enhance your site security with minimal efforts. So WordPress security plugins offer you a wide range of features to protect your site from various threats. So in this lesson, we will discuss the key plugins and you should consider and how to configure them to optimal security. So the first one is that importance of that security plugins. Then top WordPress security plugins, key features of security plugins, installing and configuring security plugins, best practice for using security plugins. So let's discuss with that importance of security plugins. So let's start by understanding why security plugins are important. So security plugins provide a comprehensive suite of tools to protect your WordPress sites, and they offer features such as that malware scanning and removal, firewall protection, brute force attack prevention, monitoring and logging of that security related activities, regular security updates. And these plugins can be a lifesaver, especially if you don't have extensive knowledge of web security. Now let's look at some of the top WordPress security plugins that available. So the first one is WordFence Security, which offers you that firewall protections, malware scanning, and the login security. Then second one is that Security Security, that provides comprehensive security features including malware scanning and blacklist that monitoring and that post-hack security actions. The number third is iTheme Security, that's focus on that securing user accounts and preventing brute force attack and detecting that file changes. Then all-in-one WP security and firewall, which user friendly and covers a wide range of security features. Then last but not the least is Jetpack security, which includes the downtime monitoring, malware scanning, and automated backup. So each of these plugins has its unique strength, and choosing the right one dependent on your specific needs. Now let's discuss the key features you should look for in a that security plugins. So here are some essential features to consider. The first one is that firewall protection, which blocks malicious traffic before it reaches at your site. The second one is that malware scanning. It means it regularly checks your site for malware and removes it. The third one is the brute force attack and preventions, which limits to login attempts to prevent unauthorized access. The next one is that file change detections, which means that alert you if any files or your site are altered. And security audits and monitoring, which tracks and logs that security related activities. Then backup solutions, that's mean that ensure you can restore your site in case of that security breaches. The last one is the two-factor authentication. That's mean it's add an extra layer of security of that user login, and these features helps to create a robust security environment for your WordPress site.